In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Gmail left-hand panel collapsing and lock it in place permanently. If you've ever had the Gmail sidebar disappear and only show up when you hover your mouse, this quick walkthrough will make it stay open for good so your inbox, sent mail, and labels are always just a click away. Start by opening your Gmail account in a web browser on your computer. Once your inbox loads, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is commonly called the hamburger menu. It controls whether the left-hand panel is visible or hidden. When the panel is collapsed, it behaves in what feels like a peekaboo mode. As you hover your mouse over the left edge, the panel slides out, but as soon as you move your cursor away, it tucks back in. That's useful for saving space, but it's not ideal if you rely on quick access to your labels and folders. To lock the panel open permanently, simply click the hamburger menu once. That's it. With a single click, you're telling Gmail to expand the panel and keep it in place. This icon works as a toggle, which means it switches between 2 states. If the panel was collapsed, clicking it expands and locks it open. If your panel was already open, clicking the same icon collapses it to give you more screen space. For today's goal, you want it expanded. Once expanded and locked, move your mouse around the screen to confirm it stays put. You'll notice it no longer disappears when you move away. You can even refresh the page, and the panel should remain visible. That consistency makes navigating your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and custom labels much faster, since everything is available without the extra hover step. If you find the panel collapses again later, the most common cause is an accidental click on the same hamburger icon, which switches it back to the compact view. Just click it once more to relock it. Also keep in mind that if your browser window is very narrow, Gmail may adjust its layout to fit the space, which can make the panel feel more compact. Widening the window usually brings the full panel back into view. And that's all there is to it. A single click on the hamburger menu locks your Gmail left-hand panel in place, keeping your most used folders and labels front and center until you decide to hide them again.